Imagine this. You're walking through the park, enjoying the fresh air, when suddenly your legs wobble beneath you. You grab onto a bench just in time, heart racing, mind reeling. Was it just a moment of clumsiness, or something more? Here's the truth. Weak legs aren't just an inconvenience. They're one of the first warning signs your body gives before bigger problems arise. But what if you could reverse the damage, starting today? Stick with me, because in just a few minutes, you'll discover the foods, habits, and simple daily moves that can rebuild your strength and keep you steady for years to come. And before we dive in, drop a comment with where you're watching from and your biggest health concern. Oh, and don't forget, we're giving away 100 free copies of my best-selling book. Want in? Hit that subscribe button and let me know why you'd love to win. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Why your legs matter more than you think. Let's start with a question. What's the foundation of your independence? If you're picturing your legs, you're spot on. They're like the roots of a mighty tree. When they're strong, the whole tree thrives. When they weaken, everything starts to wobble. But why do legs give out first, and what does that mean for you? As you age, your body undergoes changes that often go unnoticed until they start affecting your daily life. After 30, muscle mass begins to decline at a rate of 3 to 5% per decade, a process known as sarcopenia. By the time you reach 60, this decline accelerates, making it harder to maintain strength and mobility. But it's not just about muscles. Bones become thinner, joints stiffen, and communication between nerves and muscles slows. The result? You feel less stable, stairs become more challenging, and your risk of falling increases significantly. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related deaths among older adults, according to the CDC. That's a sobering statistic, but here's the good news. You can take action to protect yourself. Consider Susan, a 68-year-old woman who once struggled with heavy, unsteady legs. She dreaded her daily walks, fearing she might lose her balance. But with a few key adjustments to her diet, exercise routine, and lifestyle, she transformed her mobility. Today, she walks confidently, even tackling hills with ease, proof that small changes can yield big results. So, how do you strengthen your legs and safeguard your independence? The answer lies in 3 essential pillars: nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle habits. By fueling your body with the right foods, engaging in strength-building activities, and adopting simple daily routines, you can reverse weakness and reclaim your vitality. In the coming sections, we'll break it all down, offering practical steps you can implement right away. And at the end, we'll reveal one powerful strategy that could be a game-changer for your mobility and overall well-being. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. The hidden power of strong legs. Before we dive into the how, let's explore the why. Your legs aren't just for getting around. They're the engine of your longevity. Think of them as a second heart, working tirelessly to pump blood back to your core with every step. Strong legs lighten the load on your joints, keep your posture upright, and protect you from common age-related pains like arthritis and backaches. But weak legs? They're like a crumbling bridge. When the foundation falters, everything above begins to collapse. Take John, a retired firefighter I once spoke with. At 72, he started noticing his knees creaking and his energy fading. At first, he shrugged it off as part of aging, until a sudden fall landed him in the ER. That wake-up call changed everything. Determined to regain his strength, John committed to rebuilding his leg muscles. The result? Not only did he regain his stride, but he also felt his heart and mind lift. His renewed energy was undeniable. Science supports what John experienced. A King's College London study found that leg power is a stronger predictor of healthy aging than blood pressure or cholesterol. Why? Strong legs indicate an active lifestyle, one that keeps your body functioning smoothly and your brain engaged. But have you ever wondered how leg strength connects to your mind? A gerontology study revealed that older adults with stronger legs performed better on memory tests. How does that work? Your leg muscles don't just move you, they communicate with your brain, stimulating neuron growth and preserving cognitive function. In other words, maintaining strong legs doesn't just keep you mobile, it helps keep you mentally sharp. So, if you want to age with confidence, protect your independence, and keep your mind sharp, leg strength is the key. The best part? You have control over it. Ready to harness this hidden power? It all starts with what's on your plate. Let's dive into the foods that fuel your legs and set the foundation for a stronger, healthier you. Fueling your legs. The 7 foods you need. Your legs are hungry for the right fuel, and the good news? It's simpler than you think. The right foods can rebuild muscle, strengthen bones, and prevent weakness. Here are 7 powerhouse foods, backed by science and real-life success stories, that can transform your leg health. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment 1 below to let me know that you are still here with me. 1. Eggs. Think of eggs as tiny power packs. They're a complete protein, packed with all 9 essential amino acids your muscles crave, especially leucine, which helps repair and build muscle. Tom, a 55-year-old hiker, felt sluggish until he made eggs a morning staple. Now, he's keeping up with his grandkids on the trails. Try 2 or 3 a day, scrambled or boiled, for an easy strength boost. 2. Greek yogurt. More than just a snack, Greek yogurt is a muscle-building powerhouse. It's rich in protein and probiotics, which aid digestion and nutrient absorption. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that protein-rich diets help slow muscle loss. Pair it with berries for a double benefit, antioxidants that fight aging. What's your favorite way to enjoy it? 3. Salmon. Think of salmon as your leg's best friend. It's packed with omega-3s, which reduce inflammation, and vitamin D, which strengthens bones. Tufts University research links omega-3s to better muscle function in older adults. Grill or bake it twice a week. Susan, our hill-walking success story, swears by it. 4. Quinoa. This ancient grain is rocket fuel for your legs. It's a complete protein with complex carbs for steady energy, plus magnesium to keep muscles firing. Try it in salads or as a side for long-lasting stamina. 5. Lentils. Lentils are plant-based protein powerhouses. High in fiber and iron, they keep blood sugar stable and fuel muscle function. Maria, a 62-year-old teacher, felt sluggish until she started eating lentil soup. Now, she's full of energy. 6. Almonds. These crunchy gems provide protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E to protect muscles from wear. A handful of post-walk keeps your legs ready for action. Studies show vitamin E reduces oxidative stress, a key factor in muscle aging. 7. Pumpkin seeds. Small but mighty, pumpkin seeds deliver protein, magnesium, and healthy fats. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax, crucial for stability. Sprinkle them on salads or snack on them solo. But here's the key. It's not just about these foods, it's about balance. Muscles are 75% water, so staying hydrated is crucial. Linda, a 70-year-old gardener, struggled with fatigue until she started drinking 8 cups of water daily. Now, her legs feel alive. What's your hydration routine like? Next, we'll explore simple moves that amplify these foods' power. Stay tuned. Moving your way to stronger legs. Food sets the stage, but movement steals the show. To keep your legs strong and your balance razor-sharp, you need simple, effective exercises that build strength and stability. The best part? You can start today. No fancy equipment is needed. Squats. Squats are the foundation of leg strength, working your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, the powerhouse trio that keeps you moving. Start with 10 reps. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees like you're sitting in a chair, then rise back up. Too easy? Hold a water bottle in each hand for added resistance. John, our retired firefighter, swears by them for maintaining his strength. Calf raises. Your calves do more than you think. They're like a second heart, helping pump blood back up to your core. Strengthening them improves circulation and reduces fall risk. Stand tall, rise onto your toes, hold for a second, then lower. Repeat 15 times. A Journal of Strength and Conditioning research study found that strong calves significantly lower the risk of falls. Feel the burn yet? Rebounding. Ever bounced on a mini trampoline? It's not just fun, it's a game changer for your legs. Each bounce strengthens your calves, quads, and stabilizing muscles, all while being gentle on your joints. NASA research found that rebounding is even more effective than jogging for improving fitness. Just 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Intrigued? Walking. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best. Brisk walking for 30 minutes most days improves circulation, endurance, and leg strength. Want an extra challenge? Try interval walking. Walk fast for 1 minute, then slow for 2. Susan, our hill walking success story, transformed her weak legs with daily walks. These exercises aren't complicated, but they work. Strength, balance, and endurance all come from consistent movement. So, how many steps do you take daily? Later, I'll reveal why one of these exercises has an unexpected advantage. Don't skip ahead. The Lifestyle Edge. Small habits, big wins. Nutrition and exercise are the stars of strong legs, but your daily habits hold everything together. Simple lifestyle changes can make all the difference between legs that feel sluggish and legs that keep you moving with ease. Prioritize sleep. Muscles don't just grow in the gym, they rebuild and repair while you sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality rest each night is essential for muscle recovery, hormone balance, and energy. Studies show that poor sleep is linked to increased muscle loss and slower reaction times. If you're waking up stiff or sluggish, your legs might be paying the price. Stretch daily. A few minutes of stretching each day can keep your joints flexible and prevent stiffness. Try gentle calf and hamstring stretches in the morning or before bed. Keeping your muscles limber means better mobility and fewer aches. Imagine being able to bend, reach, and walk with ease well into your later years. Break up long sitting. Your legs thrive on movement, yet sitting too long weakens muscles and slows circulation. Long hours on the couch or at a desk can lead to muscle atrophy and stiffness. The solution: stand up every 30 to 60 minutes, take a short walk, or do a few calf raises. Linda, our gardening enthusiast, found that simply standing more and sitting less made a world of difference in her leg strength and energy. Stay hydrated. Your muscles are 75% water, and dehydration can lead to cramps, fatigue, and stiffness. Make it a habit to sip water throughout the day. Want an easy trick? Keep a water bottle within reach and take small sips every hour. What small change can you make today? Your legs don't need drastic changes, just small, consistent habits that add up over time. Whether it's sleeping better, stretching more, or standing up every hour, every step counts. So, what habit could you tweak today to give your legs the edge they deserve? We've covered a lot. Why your legs matter, the best foods to fuel them, exercises to keep them strong, and small lifestyle changes that make a big difference. Now, it's your turn. What's the biggest lesson you've learned today? Was it the power of leg strength for longevity, the surprising brain benefits of movement, or a new food to add to your diet? Share one thing you'll start practicing in your life in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more wisdom on healthy aging. See you in the next video.